Your programming should include Zimbabwe back on national team business.
Of course.
There was of the two.
Right.
My frank, straight, not running away from things. Tell me if you don't want to read. Because of what you are, I'm never going to treat you with kid gloves. You're not a kid.
No, I'm not.
I'm just going yellow, white, black, and to some eyelashes, to some powder. So, you don't deserve being
but should it be mixed with work, though? The pleasure of it.
Both.
So the pleasure has to be mixed.
Yeah, you don't separate the two.
Wow. Okay.
We are never going to separate the two.
So if I don't do it, I'm going to go home.
You go back to Blawa, not home.
Right.
You go back to Blawa. I'll send you back to Blawa.
So no bedroom, no.
When I
go back to Blawa,
I'll send you back to Blawa. In power, and I'll implement it.
Okay, the first point you're good, I need to put in the work. I do understand it, though.
Because I'm what you fake are you putting in? The whatever way.
Yeah.
Independence to explain to this thing start. To the other color.
Papa and Skuram.
In ZBC, it's a typical top management technocrat. Don't deserves to pay, to get paid. You don't. For crying out loud, you don't deserve pay. I'm there for you, protecting me, for which you're not appreciating. What is silly in the morning.
Because I just wanted to understand it. Is there any guarantee?
And you are concentrating on the less important issues of the whole issue. Okay. Those are the least important issues of the whole issue. The critical issues is what I'm talking about now. And you've not done.
Alright. So if I put
don't just talk about being a lion. I am a lion.
Right. So what if I do put in my work? What if I do put in my work then and I
that means that you can't separate the two. This is
so I was supposed to.
It's loud and clear.
So I was supposed to go and have sex in order for you to. And I show
why are you shouting about that?
I'm not shouting. I'm just
do the right things right.
Right.
Simple. Simple, and you can't bend rules. You can't separate the two. Never think about separating the two. And please, I've told you, stop thinking. This is a knowledge economy.
Wow.
This is a practice economy. I've shouted about practical realities of life.
Right. But I can't put in my work.
If you can't take that advice, these lions will maul you.
Okay, let's
I want to.
Let's negotiate then.
I want to maul you. I want to. I'm not mincing my words.
So you want to devour me?
You being you.
Right.
Yeah. You are not anyone ordinary to me.
Yes, is it because I'm a pretty girl?
Yes,
is that it?
Yes, no.
What is it then?
It's not because you are pretty. It's because you have become special.
In what sense?
In the way you are behaving. And I want to deal with that.
Special in what way?
In the way you are behaving. Yeah. In the way you are behaving. You.
But I'm negotiating. I'll put in my work. Maybe you're in the bedroom. You think
you can tell me that you will? You will be you.
We could negotiate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can negotiate. What are you putting on the table?
I just said that I'll put in my work.
That's what advice I need.
Yeah. But look, as we did.
Do this sport here. Typical lights out. But that clear direction. Yes, it's my job, and I'm the fundi, I'm the more experienced, I'm the more educated.
That's why we come to you, Gavati, for us to be better broadcasters. I'm very fresh in the broadcasting.
But
I wouldn't want to be lost in broadcasting.
You being you. You're not the ordinary person guiding around.